Today we're going to do an epic challenge. We're going to draw one of the most iconic characters from Jujutsu Kaisen, the incomparable Gojo Satoru, but we'll draw one half in an hour and the other half in no less than 10 hours. So stick around and watch the whole video because at the end you'll want to comment, "Oh my god." We're going to use alcohol markers, in this case from the brand Ohuhu. The first part is more satisfying as it involves filling in the drawing with the character's various colors. And here it is, friends, the result after an hour of work. It's not bad at all, but wait, that's only half of the face. Let's take this to the next level. We'll see that with time and dedication, the other half is going to turn out even more epic. It's even gonna look a bit semi-realistic because we're going to work a bit on the highlights and shadows, giving it a bit of that 3D effect. I want to share a little tip with you. Patience is the key, my friends. Don't rush your drawings. Take your time with every stroke, every shadow, every detail. Constant practice and patience will take you to the next level. So here's my challenge for you. Choose a character and spend a little more time on it than you normally would. And here you have it, an epic drawing of Gojo in 10 hours. Let me know in the comments which other character you want me to draw. And leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.